Welcome to this deep dive into mastering regenerative braking, a crucial technology for maximizing the efficiency of your hybrid vehicle. Understanding and effectively utilizing this system can significantly impact your fuel economy, extend the life of your brake components, and contribute to a greener driving experience. Today, we will explore the core principles, practical techniques, and advanced insights to help you get the absolute most out of your hybrid's regenerative braking capabilities. At its heart, regenerative braking is an ingenious system designed to recover energy that would otherwise be lost during deceleration. In conventional vehicles, when you press the brake pedal, friction creates heat, and that heat represents kinetic energy wasted. Hybrid and electric vehicles, however, transform this wasted kinetic energy back into usable electrical energy, storing it in the battery for later use. This fundamental shift from energy dissipation to energy recovery is what makes hybrids so efficient. The mechanism behind regenerative braking is quite clever. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or lightly press the brake pedal, the electric motor, which typically powers the wheels, reverses its function. Instead of drawing power from the battery to move the car, it acts as a generator. As the wheels continue to turn, they spin the motor, which then generates electricity. This electricity is sent back to the high-voltage battery pack, recharging it and simultaneously slowing down the vehicle. The resistance created by the motor generating electricity provides the braking force. To truly appreciate regenerative braking, it's essential to compare it with traditional friction braking. In a conventional car, hydraulic pressure forces brake pads against rotors, creating friction that slows the vehicle. This process is effective but inherently inefficient, converting all that kinetic energy into heat, which simply dissipates into the atmosphere. Regenerative braking, conversely, captures a substantial portion of that kinetic energy, converting it into electricity. This means less reliance on the physical brake pads and rotors, leading to fewer energy losses and extended component life. The benefits of mastering regenerative braking extend far beyond just an interesting technicality. Foremost is the improvement in fuel efficiency. By recapturing energy, your hybrid uses less gasoline or diesel, translating directly into savings at the pump. Secondly, it drastically reduces wear and tear on your vehicle's conventional braking components. Since the electric motor handles a significant portion of the braking, your brake pads and rotors last much longer, reducing maintenance costs. Lastly, more efficient energy use means lower emissions, contributing positively to environmental sustainability. Several factors influence the effectiveness of regenerative braking. Vehicle speed plays a critical role. Regeneration is generally more efficient at higher speeds, where there's more kinetic energy to capture, though it works across the speed range. The battery state of charge, or SOC, is another key factor. A fully charged battery cannot accept much more regenerative energy, limiting its effectiveness. Conversely, a partially discharged battery offers ample capacity for energy storage. Finally, the intensity of braking dictates how much the regenerative system can do versus when the friction brakes need to kick in. Gentle, prolonged braking maximizes regeneration. One of the most effective techniques for maximizing regeneration is embracing smooth, gradual deceleration. Instead of abruptly stomping on the brake pedal, try to anticipate stops and begin slowing down well in advance. This allows the regenerative braking system more time to work, converting a greater proportion of the vehicle's kinetic energy into electricity. Think of it as a gentle, extended coasting process where the car's electric motor is actively recharging the battery, rather than relying on the friction brakes to rapidly dissipate energy as heat. Anticipation is paramount in maximizing regenerative braking. By looking far ahead in traffic, observing traffic lights, and anticipating turns or slowdowns, you can lift your foot off the accelerator earlier. This allows the vehicle to coast, engaging the regenerative braking system naturally and efficiently. Avoiding sudden, harsh braking maneuvers is key. The more you can plan your deceleration, the less you will rely on the conventional friction brakes, thus capturing more energy and improving overall efficiency. Driving on downhill slopes presents a fantastic opportunity for extensive regeneration. Instead of constantly riding the friction brakes, which can lead to overheating and wear, many hybrids allow you to engage a B mode or a lower gear. This increases the resistance from the electric motor, maximizing the amount of energy sent back to the battery. It's essentially using the motor's generating capacity as a form of engine braking, but with the added benefit of recharging your battery simultaneously. This technique is particularly rewarding on long descents. The type of terrain you drive on significantly impacts regenerative braking opportunities. Hilly or mountainous regions offer more frequent and prolonged downhill sections, which are ideal for maximum energy capture. On flat roads, regeneration mostly occurs during stops and slowdowns in traffic. Uphill driving, naturally, consumes energy and provides no regeneration. Adapting your driving style to the terrain, such as using B mode on descents, can make a noticeable difference in your overall efficiency. Your hybrid vehicle's computer constantly manages the delicate balance between regenerative braking and friction braking. This is known as brake blending. When you press the brake pedal, the system first tries to use as much regenerative braking as possible. If more stopping power is needed, or if the battery is full, the hydraulic friction brakes seamlessly engage to supplement the regenerative force. The goal is to provide consistent, predictable braking feel while maximizing energy recovery, often without the driver even noticing the transition. Let's dispel some common misconceptions and highlight best practices. A common myth is that you need to brake extremely hard to get any regeneration. In reality, gentle, prolonged braking is far more effective at capturing energy. Another mistake is believing regeneration only happens when the brake pedal is pressed. Lifting off the accelerator often initiates regeneration, especially in modern hybrids. The best practice is always to drive smoothly, anticipate traffic, and use the momentum of the vehicle to your advantage, allowing the regenerative system to work optimally. Some modern hybrids and electric vehicles offer advanced regeneration features, such as one-pedal driving. In these systems, lifting your foot off the accelerator pedal provides significant regenerative braking, often enough to bring the car to a complete stop without touching the brake pedal. Some vehicles also allow drivers to customize the level of regenerative braking through settings, enabling a more aggressive or gentler deceleration feel. Exploring these features in your specific vehicle can further refine your regenerative braking strategy. Proper use of regenerative braking not only enhances efficiency but also contributes to the longevity of your vehicle. By reducing the strain on your conventional brake components, you extend the life of your pads and rotors, leading to fewer replacements and lower maintenance costs over time. Furthermore, consistent but not excessive regeneration helps maintain the health of your high-voltage battery by promoting regular charge and discharge cycles, which are beneficial for battery performance and lifespan. Mastering regenerative braking is an essential skill for any hybrid driver aiming for peak efficiency and reduced environmental impact. By understanding its mechanics, practicing smooth driving techniques, anticipating road conditions, and leveraging advanced features, you can unlock the full potential of your hybrid vehicle. This technology is a cornerstone of sustainable transportation, and by consciously engaging with it, you contribute to a more efficient and cleaner future on our roads.